see, we are climbing. Oh God. So, there are some passages here, but we'll go on to the top. I don't know, I'm not counting. There's some passage here for light. These are the minars. Oh God. I'm not too old, but the steps are too old. So sometimes climbing and climbing. Wow, finally we are. So we have finally. So this is Charminar with a history of 400 years. This is known for a history of 400 years. You can see the carving. You won't find this anywhere. One of the best monuments. So with a history of more than 400 years, we stand in this monument, which has seen many changes. We might have seen very little, but this Charminar has witnessed many happenings of Hyderabad city. Once upon a time, where kings used to rule, today we are standing, we are witnessing. See this wonderful monument, which is naturally cool. We can see this floral type of construction. This Charminar is typical with this. This is a monument which is constructed in the mark of plague, I suppose. Charminar, the four towers. Char is four and Minar is towers. So Charminar means four towers. It seems once the king, because of constructed in Islamic style with its four minarets, which are also called as khalifas in Arabic. The Charminar was constructed to commemorate the eradication of plague between year 1591. Charminar has four entrances towards its four sides, which is famously called as Char Kaman. And during the season of Ramzan, this is a place of high shopping. The whole month of Ramzan, shops here don't close even at nights. So the night shopping is famous in Charminar. I every year come here to do shopping, and I have been doing this from 15 years. There is nothing that you don't get at Charminar. It is so refreshing, especially. And if you observe, we are only on the middle of Charminar. Okay, you have just seen a video where I was climbing. So it is more 4 stories about us. Come, let's have a look. This is the entrance into the minaret. Fine, where we can climb, which is 4 stories. Which is closed right now. Hopefully, one day we'll be able to climb that onto the top and also witness the beauty of the minarets. So this is one minaret. Fine, on the northeast side, exactly opposite to this, you can see one more minaret. there. And this is the one more one you are having. Typically, this style is Islamic style, and the floral designs are the base for this. You can see these droplets which resemble the bud here, and you can see this is a chain. This represents a chain. Fine. It's an excellent design. Very minute work. Come.
Next one.
Just see. The centrally protected monument is under the custody of Archaeological Survey of India since 1951, as per the Ancient Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1958 Rules 1959 and AMASR Amendment and Validation Act 2010, as per which whoever destroys, removes, injuries, alters, defaces, imperils or misuses a protected monument or removes any sculpture, carving, image, inscription, bas relief or other like object, or does any act in intervention of the above acts and rules, shall be punishable with imprisonment, which may extend to 3 months, or with a fine which may extend to rupees 1 lakh, or with both. Hence we appeal to assist us in the safeguarding. Now, this is the Makkah Masjid. The beautiful Makkah Masjid. Now we are not allowed into this, but I remember the times when we were allowed into this. There are big lights, big Belgium lights into this. Really wonderful lights. And I think more than 5,000 people at a time. How many people? Neeraj, how many people can sit at a time?
More than 5.
More than 5,000 people can actually can be accommodated into this. It is of pure stone. You can see the beautiful view of this Makkah Masjid from Charminar. So the main aim of Charminar was to be in the center, standing monument, from which you can see the 4 corners of the city. Clear? So this is the other end of the city. About this lane of Charminar. This is called as the Lat Bazaar or the Chudi Bazaar. For one of his Begum, who was very loudly to him, on her name it is called as Lat Bazaar. People from all over India and all over world come here just to purchase bangles. Do you imagine how beautiful that would be? We speak about a market only for bangles of infinite varieties. Fine, so this is called the famous Lat Bazaar.
Nature.
You can see excellent view of nature, the sky. It is so beautiful from here. I would tell that this is only the middle.
Arjunan.
Just after this, you have Chowk, which is the market for birds. And if you go towards the left side, you have the Royal Palace, the Chow Mohalla. So, the main aim of Charminar was that when somebody stands here, he can have a view of full city. So, if you go on to the top, you can see the Golconda on one side, the Maulali on other side,
Birla
Mandir on one side. Of course, Birla Mandir and all are from this century. Okay, so if we talk about Golconda and Maulali, from 400 years, history of 400 years. Let's have a small view again. You can again see the view of Makkah Masjid from here. The beautiful view of Makkah Masjid. Standing tall and witnessing the happenings from several years. Really love to be a part of this video which explains about the Pearl City of Hyderabad. Would you like to know the story of why Hyderabad is called as the Pearl City? The Nizam was very much interested in pearls. One of the richest kings of the world. So he used to go all over the world in search of diamonds, in search of pearls. As he was more fascinated of pearls, so all the pearl vendors used to come here to Hyderabad to sell their best varieties to the king. And that's how all the pearl vendors from the world started visiting Hyderabad, and Hyderabad became hub for the pearls. That's how Hyderabad became the Pearl City. So this is the beautiful story of Charminar and the Pearl City, Hyderabad. This is another Minar. Wow, this is the entrance of another Minar. On four sides of the Minar, you have four entrances where you can climb till the top. Charminar, in its best, can be seen during nights when it is in the lights. And here you can witness several street vendors. So that is the Makkah Masjid.
Again.
So it is the Makkah Masjid. You can see. We see unity in diversity in Hyderabad. So this is the other Minar. On to the southeast. Wow, you can see the wonderful floral designs, the petal-like designs, the droplets, the bud-like droplets. So if you can count the number of floors in Minar, you can see. So that's how. So this is Vishwanath with Neeraj getting downstairs. We'll see how fast can we get down. It is quiet. Oh! Something is here, I don't know. Sit down, let's get down quickly. It's a little tougher. These are circular steps. You can see the height of steps, it is very like as if we are getting down a hill, straight down a hill. I have never counted how many steps are there, but this would be near about 4 stairs of a building. Each stair is about 12 feet. 12 feet. 12 floors are 48. Near about 48. 4 floors. And finally we are down. So this is Charminar. You can see 4 Minars. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Thank you.
Hi, this is Neeraj Kumar. It was great visiting Charminar. And you can watch the view from here.
I must say that Neeraj has been here from his childhood, but Neeraj never climbed Charminar, it seems. So today when I was traveling, I told, okay, Neeraj, what's your wish? Neeraj told that, no, I want to see Charminar, and we came up here. So Neeraj, you are happy?
Yes, I am very much happy because this was one of my dreams to climb Charminar and see the view from all over here.
Wow.
And obviously Makkah Masjid and this domes, this minars, this structure, everything, this greenery all over here and everything.
That's great. That's great. Thank you, Neeraj.